Join the quinoa revolution, elevate your meals with this superfood powerhouse. Are you ready to join the quinoa revolution? This ancient grain, originating from the Andes, is taking the culinary world by storm for good reason. Packed with nutrients, quinoa is a versatile superfood that can effortlessly transform your everyday recipes into healthy masterpieces. First, let's talk nutrition. Quinoa is a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids, making it a fantastic option for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to boost their protein intake. It's also loaded with fiber, magnesium, iron, and antioxidants, supporting digestion, heart health, and sustained energy. Plus, it's naturally gluten-free, so it's perfect for those with dietary restrictions. With just 1 cup providing about 8 grams of protein and 5 grams of fiber, quinoa is a nutrient-dense alternative to rice or pasta that keeps you feeling full and energized. The real magic lies in its adaptability. Get inspired by swapping quinoa into your salads for a nutty crunch, using it as a base for hearty bowls, or even baking it into muffins and energy bars. Imagine a vibrant quinoa salad with fresh veggies, feta, and a zesty lemon dressing, or a warm quinoa pilaf with herbs and spices for a comforting twist on dinner. The possibilities are endless, allowing you to experiment and create meals that are as delicious as they are nutritious, so why wait? Dive into the quinoa revolution today, stock up on this superfood, experiment with new recipes, and watch your health and creativity soar. Your body and taste buds will thank you. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, so I can create more helpful tips. Thank you.